happily, greedily, doesn't matter. That one is adverb. You add more words untuk jadikan macam mana dia makan. Dengan gembira ke? Dengan tamak ke? Sorry, Maisara. Macam mana? Okay, mestilah dengan gembira kan? Maisara happily, or Maisara ate the best chocolate happily. Okay, joyfully. Okay, so itu adalah to describe macam mana dia makan. Tapi kalau you nak describe bukan apa yang kita panggil sebagai kata kerja, you nak describe chocolate ni. You dah letak dah kat sini, the best chocolate. This is you describing the chocolate. So senang tak English sebenarnya. You just kena tahu apa untuk apa. You just kena tahu apa tugasan mereka. Itu sahaja. Now give me one verb that we can use. So let's say Zamir. Apa yang Zamir buat? Ran to the store as it was closing. Okay, ataupun ran to the store. Simple ones first. We want to take it one step at a time. Okay, he ran to the store. Past tense, you're done with that. Very good, twin. Okay, now, the twins. Stroll. You want to use stroll. You like the word stroll very much. Along the beach. Ini semua adalah apa yang kita boleh gunakan in our story. But do you find that it is hard for you to pull the audience attention when you use simple ones like this? Penat kan? Rasa macam penat lah nak tambah apa lagi. This is mainly the question yang kita akan ada dalam otak kita. And trust me, I was once just like all of you. Okay? So let's see. So you can either add what? Adjective. You can add adverb. Of course, I agree with you. The beach. How's the beach? The sandy beach. The beautiful beach. The mesmerizing. The picturesque. The white fluffy sand. The beach. Okay, anything. So, Maisara ate the best chocolate. The best chocolate, you nak tukar jadi the most amazing. Okay, the most delicious chocolate in the world. Where? So these are the little things that you tahu. The most expensive chocolate, sweet chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, mouth-watering chocolate, the most popular chocolate. So what about Samir ran to the store? What store? What store? This is somehow something yang kita selalu expand idea kita. What store? Ran to the convenience store, the pharmacy, the grocery store. The convenience store tu macam mana? Convenience store tu macam 7-Eleven, KK Mart. Ni convenience store. 99. Speed Mart is a mart. So boleh juga. Okay? To the supermarket. Okay? And then I'll share with you that in a bit. In a bit. Don't worry about it. Okay? Please remind me if I don't. Now, any questions? So clear macam mana nak expand? Tapi ini, adakah ini cara yang kita nak expand? Tanah, we want more. So let me share with you more. Kita gunakan different types of tenses. Don't be afraid of tenses. Siapa takut dengan tenses? Angkat tangan. Siapa yang takut dengan tenses? Be honest. Cakap me, 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 me. Me, me, me. Me, me, me. This is something, this rhyming sound, my sister selalu buat dengan anak dia. Everything dia cakap, dia akan nyanyi tau. So dia akan mi, mi, mi. Maksudnya dia akan cakap miau, miau, miau. Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah is my sister, betul tu. Apa-apa. Dia cakap macam benda makanan pun dia akan cakap. Puff, puff, puff. Miau, miau, miau. Dia nyanyi semua benda. So anak dia suka. I miss my nephew already. He's so adorable. Okay, jom kita continue. So, kita ada past tense kan? So apa lagi past? Kita ada past continuous tense. Jangan takut, jangan takut. Yang tadi cakap ni, ni, ni. Jangan takut. Past continuous tense. Jom kita tengok. Okay, ni macam mana pula? Past, ada yang cakap, benda ni dalam past ke teacher? Ya sayang, benda ni dalam past. So you ada present, duduk sini ke present? Tidak, present duduk di tengah-tengah sentiasa. Itu teacher lupa nak letak, cikgu letak kat situ pula. And you ada future. La la la, miau miau miau, miau boleh turun dekat kepala teacher. So past continuous tense ni macam mana pula? It is something that is ongoing dalam past. Boleh tak dibawa dikeluar? Terbakar member. Okay? And you kena cakap lah apa yang ongoing tu. Okay, let's say tadi kita cakap pasal stroll kan? So, you nak ceritakan something yang sedang berlaku tapi di dalam dimensi past. In the past dimension. Something that's happening. Na, past. Selalunya you want to talk about it bila you are sharing. Apa beza continuous dengan tense? Continuous ni adalah dalam tense. Maksud continuous, apa saja yang you nampak dalam continuous, you can imagine orang ni sedang bergerak macam ni. Tak ada had, tak ada been. No had, no been. I'll share with you the rule. Don't worry about it. So dia macam ni je. Tak boleh keluar mana-mana. We call it as, in American English, they call it as progressive tense. Because something that is progressive, ongoing. Ini continuous tense. Semua ada ing kan? Selalunya benda yang ongoing ni kita cakap dia ada ing. So jom kita tengok the rules. Rules this time are not meant to be broken. You kena ikut these rules. Okay, rules yang tadi ramai yang tanya, kena ada been ke teacher, kena ada had ke? Tak perlu. You just need two things. Number one, you perlukan your verb to be. Tapi verb to be kena dalam past. Apa tu verb to be, teacher? Am, is, are. Am, is, are. Tadi kenapa teacher apa tadi? Tulis moved on. Kenapa teacher tulis moved on dekat atas ni? Maknanya dia dah move on. Dah habis, finish. Tulis move on dekat sini sebab dia dah habis. Dia dah tak kisah lagi pasal benda tu. Dah settle dah. Finish business. Move on means finish business. Move on ni perkataan yang lebih senang untuk kita nak faham. So I use moved on, finish business. Tapi this one finish business ke? Finish business tapi you are talking about something that was ongoing tapi finish. You are done with that. You're no longer caring about it. You just want to tell it in the story. You can actually to master too, kan? You know at that point of time when I was going to the store, when I was driving to the store, suddenly, a cow stopped in front of my car. I panicked and then I told my son to please drive carefully because we almost hit the cow. We don't want to hit the cow. The cow has been so kind to us. You see, when you want to tell a story, you tak boleh just cakap, I drove to the store, I hit a cow. Or I almost hit the cow. Or when I drove to the store, doesn't make sense. Okay, when I drove to the store, I almost hit a cow. Doesn't make sense. You have to share the experience with it. How? When it happened. People need to know when it happened. So you have to tell me that when I was driving, when I was on my way to go to this place, something happened and interrupted it. That is past continuous tense. An interrupted action. So dalam story, are you going to use this? I love using this. Please use this. It's going to be amazing. Use this, please. Okay? Memang fun. It's going to be really, really, really fun. Okay, let's see. So, rule, very simple. Verb to be was for am. Siapa yang guna am? I. Was for the past of. Hey, I nangis nanti. Islam, mana are. Were and they are. As simple as that. Okay, was, were. Lepas tu yang awak nampak, something that we call as present participle. Nama glamour dia ing. Semua benda pun modify verb to this. Okay, verb awak yang tambah ing. This is where you modify. Ini tak payah modify, ni tambah je satu. That's it. Jom kita make some sentences. Okay? So, tadi kita cakap my Sarah. What happened to my Sarah? The first one. So, my Sarah ate the best chocolate, kan? So, we change it. My Sarah was eating the best chocolate when something interrupted her, in the past, kan, ongoing. So this is where something was ongoing lah. Lepas tu something interrupted, something must interrupt, ataupun something you must share yang dia berada di dimensi yang mana. You nak bagi tahu di dalam past kan, dekat mana. So my Sarah was eating the best chocolate when, what happened? When the twins strolled around the beach, taklah, tak best. When the mailman came, something logical, okay? When the mailman, that's very good. Ting tong, makan coklat, makan coklat. Ting tong, makan coklat. Ting tong. Okay, that's how it goes. Clear on that? That's number one. Number two. I will and siapa Sanjay lah. Yang nama Sanjay. Iril and Sanjay were doing their homework when the school, what happened to the school? School bell rang. School caught on fire. See what happened there? Kenapa kita letak when? I like that question. I like this group. Amazing. Now, when, this is interrupted action. So you see what happened over here. When you are doing something, my dear, you were doing something, lepas tu action tu got interrupted by something. You're talking about time. Bila benda tu berlaku. So this is how your tenses work. You see this little dimension? Okay, this is what we call as your past dimension. Okay, this is your past. When you want to talk about continuous, the ongoing di dalam this situation. So you share with your audience, dia tengah ongoing in there. Alright, so clear on that? Di dalam situasi itu. So I'm just going to put it like this. Okay, the ongoing. So if you are talking about present tense, kalau present tense macam mana pula? So you tukarlah dekat sini present boleh. So remember kita ada berapa dimension? Kita ada past, kita ada present, kita ada future. This is the base dimension. Dalam dia boleh apa-apa saja boleh berlaku. 3 situasi yang boleh berlaku. You nak cakap you dah move on, you nak cakap yang benda tu sedang berlaku, atau you nak cakap benda tu kerap berlaku. 3. That is where you have your 3 item: continuous, simple, and perfect. Clear on that? Naik balik dekat atas. Simple past tense tadi saya cakap you dah move on kan? Dia simple je. Dia boleh berlaku bila-bila sahaja. In the past. It doesn't matter. You don't have to specify it for me. Tapi syarat dia in the dimension of your past. Clear on that? Clear the usage of these two? Okay, we have 15 more minutes. I have to complete the last one that I promised you to, but I really want you to tell me that you understand past continuous tense before we move on. So my Sarah was eating the best chocolate when the mailman came. So kalau tak nak cakap when boleh ke teacher? Boleh. Just to indicate that something was happening in the past. Now, I'm going to move on to the next part, the last one, where everybody hates. I'm sorry. Your past perfect tense. Now, before that, I'm just going to check. Teacher, when the school is burning, tak boleh ke? When the school was burning, something else happened. What happened? What happened when the school was burning? The fire brigade arrived. Okay, the fire brigade arrived. But it depends, apa yang tengah ongoing? The bell rang. The bell still rang when the school was burning. Boleh, not interrupted. Okay, you want to indicate a situation, two situation happening in the past. Boleh juga. Tapi it's nicer if you use this next one. Okay, use this next one, which is going to be in